So in this video, I'm going to be going over the basics for grading in APUS history. Right here, you can see on my screen that the grading scale stays exactly the same, 10-point scale as it has been. But what has changed, and some of your other teachers will probably go over this with you as well, but you have two types of assignments. That is what it boils down to. You have graded assignments and attendance assignments. So every day you will have some sort of task to complete, something to turn in order to get credit for attendance for that day. If you don't turn that in by Sunday at 11:59 p.m., you will not get credit for attendance for that day. So make sure you're completing each assignment for every day. And then as far as graded assignments go, those will also need to be turned in by Sunday, 11:59. I will write out to the side when an assignment is graded. I'll show you here in a minute how you can tell the difference on Canvas versus what will count for a grade and what counts towards attendance. As far as late assignments, you'll lose 20 points for each day that it is turned, or each day that is late. It's considered late if it's turned in after 11:59 on Sunday. So if you turn it in Monday morning, it is one day late, you lose 20 points. So make sure you're keeping up with your assignments, especially in AP classes. It's important that you're staying with us. You're not falling behind, because once you fall behind in a rigorous class like this, it is very hard to catch up. So again, just make sure you get that turned in on time. If for any reason, I understand, things are uncertain at this point, but if you have, something that comes up and for some reason you're not able to turn it in by 11:59 on Sunday, just reach out to me, send me an email, whatever you need to do to get a hold of me, and let me know what's going on. It needs to be a legitimate reason that you weren't able to get those assignments turned in, but I'll be happy to work with you on that. All assignments, especially for AP classes, will receive feedback. So when you guys turn in writing assignments, you're submitting DBQs, you take a test, whatever, I will be commenting on all of that. It's important that you look at those comments. Since we're not in class together, that is the best way for me to give you feedback and help you develop your writing and get ready, for that AP exam and bring your writing up to an AP level. So make sure that you're looking at that feedback and taking that feedback seriously. All grades will carry the same weight. All class grades will. For this semester, teachers are not allowed to put percentages in for grade categories. So what I am going to do is I will count your writing assignments. Certain writing assignments will count twice. I will make it very clear which assignments will count twice. And then your tests will count 3 times. So those are the only 2 things that will be counted more than once. And again, I'll be letting you know well in advance what will count as a writing assignment that counts twice, and when we have a test, so to prepare for those. The last thing I want to show you guys is this is my Honors American 1 class. I haven't finished building your guys' Canvas course yet, so I will use this as an example. But you can see here it's set up exactly the same as the AP courses. You go in here, here's the agenda for the week, everything you need to complete, learning targets about what we'll be learning, and then down here at the bottom you'll click on the module where you have your assignments and drop boxes. So you can see here I will lay everything out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. So you need to complete all of these in the order that I've put them here. I've put everything in order of the way it needs to be completed. You can work ahead, you can wait a few days, but I don't recommend that. But as long as all this is turned in by 11:59 on Sunday, you get credit for it. So you don't have to turn everything in every single day. I recommend doing that just so I can grade it and get it back to you as quick as possible, because I'm going to be busy at the beginning of the week getting things ready for the following week. So if you wait till Sunday to turn that in, it might take a little bit more time for me to give you feedback. So I recommend turning things in on time. That just makes it easier for me to give you guys feedback. So with grading, you can see here, this About Me says 0 points. So if you see that the assignment has a 0-point value, that assignment will go towards attendance. So completing the About Me, gets you attendance for the first day of school. Then down here, you can see the identifying primary and secondary sources. I've capitalized right here. This is actually a graded assignment. And another way you can tell that it'll count towards your grade is you see the point value here is 100. So you know that is counting and going into the grade book. So that just gives you an indicator there that you can always look at. 0 point value is an attendance assignment. 100 point value will be going in the grade book. So I know this is a little bit different with attendance and graded assignments, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to clarify those for you.